అర్థమవుతుంది కదండి. I hope everyone getting what I am trying to say. So here S equal to G into E. This is the formula. Clear? So this is the formula. S equal to G into E power minus 2. This is the formula. Okay. So if you see the diagram here, we got the maximum at we got the maximum throughput. Maximum throughput at G equal to 0.5. That means G equal to 0.5 means 1 by 2. Substitute in the formula. G equal to 1 by 2 means E power minus G equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2E. So S will become 1 by 2E. S will become how much? 1 by 2E. Clear? And which is about 0.814. E and 10th. Can anybody say what is the value of E? E equal to 2.718. Okay, so substitute that one, substitute here. E equal to 2 substitute here. You will get S equal to 0.814. So here it is 0.8. If it is 0.5, it is 0.8. So that is the relationship between S and G. Okay. And what is the channel utilization? What is the channel? Sorry, 0.184 and 0.184, not 81. 0.184. అంటే ఎంత అండి ఛానల్ యూటిలైజేషన్? 18%. 18%. That is equal to 18 by 100. అంటే ఎంత? 0.18. So this indicates that channel utilization is how much? 18%. How? Because the value is 1 by 2. Can't choose 1 by 2 into 2.7. And then the 1 by 5.4. Okay, if you see in the calculator, 1 divided by 5.4. Approximately 0.185. Approximately how much? 0.185. So that is nothing but 0.1814. So that is nothing but 18%. అర్థమైన ఛానల్ యూటిలైజేషన్ G వాల్యూ ఇస్తారు. S వాల్యూ కనుక్కోవాలి. దాని నుంచి ఛానల్ S వాల్యూ నుంచి ఏమొస్తుంది? ఛానల్ యూటిలైజేషన్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? Very important point here. So this result is not very encouraging. So if you see the pure Aloha mechanism, this result is not. But with everyone transmitting at all, you could hardly have expected a 100% success rate. So now we see slotted Aloha. If you see the slotted Aloha, okay. If you see the slotted Aloha here, in contrast to pure Aloha, a station is not permitted to send whenever the user types a line. Okay. So whenever instead it is required to wait for the beginning of the next slot. That is nothing but the slotted Aloha. So wait for the next slot and then transmit the slot. Thus the continuous time Aloha is turned into a discrete one. In case of pure, it is continuous. Whereas in case of slotted, it is discrete. So this halves the vulnerable period. So and we can see that here the formula for in case of slotted Aloha is S equal to G into E power minus G. E power minus G. If this is the formula, and now G equal to 1, if G equal to 1 and S equal to 1 by E, which is equal to 1 by 2.7, which is equal to approximately 0.368. That means 37% efficiency. Here it is 18%, here it is 37%. That is twice of pure Aloha. That is the difference between pure Aloha and slotted Aloha. Slotted Aloha. Okay. So twice that of the pure Aloha. Whereas in case of slotted Aloha, what is the formula for slotted Aloha? S equal to G into G into e power minus G. S equal to G into e power minus G is for slotted aloha. Whereas S equal to G into e power minus G, e power minus 2G is for pure aloha. Those are the formulas. So exactly twice you will get the band, twice you will get the equation. Okay. So the best we can hope for using slotted 37% of its empty slots, 37% success, and 26% collisions. So operates at a very high level of G, reduces the number of entries but increases the number of collisions exponentially. So what is the inference? What is the conclusion we can get is G value is increases. Okay. So number of empties increases, but number of collisions also increases exponentially. Okay. Number of collisions also increase exponentially. So for example, the probability that it will avoid a collision is e power minus G. Okay. So collision is just 1 minus e power minus G. Okay. The probability of transmission requires exactly K is e power minus G into 1 minus e power minus G whole power K minus 1. Okay. So now we will see. Okay. So this is a diagram. Okay. So PK is what is the formula? E power minus G. PK is e power minus G into 1 minus e power minus G. 1 minus e power minus G. PK is e power minus G into 1 minus e power minus G whole power K minus 1. Whole power K minus 1. Okay. So transmission requires exactly K atoms, that is K minus 1 collisions. Okay. K minus 1 collisions. Ikkademo no collision. No collision aithe e power minus K. Collision aithe 1 minus e power minus J. So atla enni sarlu ఎన్ని collisions అయినాయి K minus 1 collisions అయినాయి అక్కడ అర్థమవుతుందండి. The probability it will avoid a collision is e power minus A. The probability there is a collision is 1 minus e power minus G. So this is avoiding a collision. Avoiding a collision, and this is collision. This parameter is collision. This is collision, and this is avoiding the collision. Okay. So it is probability of failure, probability of success. So success 1 minus e power minus G and failure ఏమవుతుంది e power ఏమవుతుంది. So e power 1 minus e power minus G అంటే K minus 1 times fail అయింది. ఓకే. Kth టైం మాత్రం సక్సెస్ అయింది, అంటే కొలిజన్ జరగలేదు కానీ K minus 1 times మాత్రం అయింది. సో ఇఫ్ యూ డూ ది ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్, what is expectation of x equal to x? Can anybody say? Probability of x equal to x into x. Intena formula. So if you equate this one, దీనికి ఇంకో ఫార్ములా సిగ్మా k equal to 1 to infinity k into pk. దీనికి సిగ్మా పెట్టండి, దీనికి సిగ్మా పెట్టండి, అదే ఇది అవుతుంది. సిగ్మా k equal to 1 to infinity k into pk, so which is equal to sigma k equal to 1 to infinity k equal to 1 to infinity. What is the value of k? K. And what is the value of pk? E power minus g into 1 minus e power minus g whole power k minus 1. Whole power k minus 1. What is the final value you will get? E power minus. Is the answer. Okay, k equal to 1 to infinity e power minus g. ఎలా అంటే దీన్ని ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేయండి. ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేస్తారు. e power minus g into k equal to 1 plus k equal to 1, k equal to 2, e power minus g into 1 minus e power minus g. Okay, so if you expand this term plus k equal to 2 into e power minus g, 3 into e power minus g into 1 minus e power minus g whole square, and so on. Okay, so దీని ఫార్ములా అంటే ఎలా ఉందంటే 1 plus 2x plus 3x square.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, 10:40 ki dark class undi sir. 10:37 ayindi.
You will finish amma. Aipochindi. If you expand this term, so you will get e power minus. దీంట్లో e power minus g కామన్ తీయండి. దీంట్లో e power minus g కామన్ తీస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే 1 plus 2 into 1 minus e power minus g plus 3 into 1 minus e power minus g whole square plus and so on. So ఇది ఈ ఫార్ములా ఉంది. 1 plus 2x plus 3x square ఆ ఫార్ములా ఉంది. సో దీని ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? దీని ఫార్ములా 1 plus 2x 1 plus p into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial x 1 plus p into x by q ఈ ఫార్ములా ఉంది. plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus and so on. ఈ ఫార్ములా ఉంది. సో ఇక్కడ p ఎంతండి 2, q ఎంత 1. అవునా? అవునా కదా? q1 p ఈక్వల్ టు ఎంత 2, q ఈక్వల్ టు 1. ఇలా ఉంటే ఈ ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? 1 minus x whole power minus p by q, that is equal to 1 minus x whole power minus 2 by 1, and 1 minus x 1 by 1 minus x whole square. So that is the answer. So 1 by x and 1 by 2 into x and ఎంతండి? x and ఎంత 1 by 1 minus e power minus g. So e power minus g పైకి వెళ్తే whole square అంటే ఎంత? 1 by 1 minus e power అంటే e power minus 1 by e power minus g whole square. So e power minus g into 1 by e power minus g whole square. ఒక e power minus g open cancel అయిపోతే e power minus g. So that's why we got the answer as e power minus g. అర్థమవుతుందండి ఇది? I hope everyone got what I am trying to say. Okay, so we will continue in the next class. Thank you. So e power minus g 1 by ఇక్కడ e power 1 by e power minus g అంటే పైకి వెళ్తే e power g, పైకి వెళ్తే e power. Clear? So in this way we will got this answer. Very easy, simple mathematics, very basic mathematics. So expand the expected number of quotients is e power g. So simple maths here. Okay, clear? So in the next class we will discuss about the next topics, that is carrier sense multiple access. Okay, so what is the conclusion of this? So as a result of exponential dependence of E upon G, small increases in channel load can drastically reduce its performance. Okay, that is what the conclusion is. Okay, thank you.